Hello everybody, welcome to Meta-Luban. I'm Kervin. Due to the impact of Mt.Gox incident, the entire crypto market experienced a significant downturn yesterday. Bitcoin plummeted from around 63,000 US dollars to 58,400 US dollars in one fell swoop. This drop actually has a little effect on miners. Veteran miners are likely accustomed to such fluctuations. We will also include the shutdown coin price for popular machines at the end of the video, so you can see where the coin price of your mining machine stands. The main bearish factor behind this drop is the announcement from Mt.Gox yesterday. They stated they would begin compensating for the Bitcoin stolen by hackers in 2014, starting in July. The compensation will be based not on USDT, but on BTC and BCH. At that time, 650,000 BTC were stolen, and they still hold 140,000 BTC. As of yesterday, the value of BTC claims will be calculated based on the price from April 2014, when the company went bankrupt, with each BTC claim valued at 50,058.12 yen. Using BTC as the base undoubtedly leads to a sharp decline, but considering BTC's hundredfold increase in recent years, the fiat-based results in significant gains, essentially equivalent to forced holding. The market fears that this 140,000 BTC might rapidly enter the market, which led to yesterday's panic-induced drop in Bitcoin. This shows how profound the impact of the biggest crypto hacking incident a decade ago remains. At that time, 70% of Bitcoin transactions were conducted on the Mt.Gox exchange, which was even larger in scale than Binance is today. Imagine if Binance suddenly went bankrupt today. Therefore, there is considered the largest theft in crypto history. The Mt.Gox incident also further promoted regulatory and oversight mechanisms within the industry. Mt.Gox is a Bitcoin exchange based in Tokyo, Japan. It began operations in 2010 and quickly became the world's largest Bitcoin trading platform, at one point handling 80% of global Bitcoin transactions. In February 2014, Mt.Gox announced the loss of approximately 750,000 Bitcoins belonging to customers and over 100,000 of its own Bitcoins, totaling around 650,000 Bitcoins. This incident had a massive impact on the Bitcoin market, causing the price of Bitcoin to plummet from 600 US dollars to 400 US dollars in a short period, a direct 30% drop. On February 7, 2014, Mt.Gox claimed technical issues and suspended Bitcoin withdrawals, leading to a loss of confidence among users. Consequently, Bitcoin's price began to fall sharply. By February 24th, Mt.Gox had halted all trading, taking its website offline, and declared bankruptcy. Let's get back to the recent market downturn. If 140,000 Bitcoins were to flood the market all at once, the price could potentially drop to 50,000 US dollars or even lower. However, this kind of crash would likely to be temporary since the compensation won't be distributed all at once. Additionally, these debt repayments might not have been received by institutions yet. If institutions do receive these Bitcoins, they are unlikely to sell them immediately. We've seen that entities like MicroStrategy and leading crypto VCs are continuously buying Bitcoin. Purchasing Mt.Gox's debt claims is keen to buying Bitcoin at a discount, which is something institutions are keen to do. Therefore, while there are 140,000 Bitcoins on paper, the actual amount that would smash the market and cause a price drop should be much less. Secondly, there is a significant difference between a high-volume sharp decline and a gradual downward drift in the market. A high-volume decline indicates that a large number of low-priced holdings have been sold off, resulting in a market shakeout. This means that the new bottom price will become the average holding cost for many investors. As the starting point increases, the end point will also naturally rise. Therefore, this high volume sharp decline is actually very bullish. If you are currently holding BTC, this is a great opportunity to lower your average cost. Although it's not yet July and the Bitcoins have not been returned to the victims of the Mt.Gox incident, the market has already responded. Every time news about the Mt.Gox incident comes out, the price of Bitcoin tends to react in advance. As shown in the chart below, the previous 3 times news about the Mt.Gox incident was hyped up were in March 2023, November 2023, and January 2024. After the hype, Bitcoin experienced a significant rally. So, in the previous 3 instances, whenever the media heavily covered this incident, Bitcoin saw a substantial surge in a short period. Will the same thing happen again this time? It might be a good opportunity to buy during the dip. Well, that is all for today's video. Welcome to follow Meta-Luban's channel. I'm Kervin. See you next time.